Are you looking for the best pressure cookers? In this video we will look at some of the best pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XMSJ Electric Pressure Cooker. Pressure cook, rice, steam, sterilize, oatmeal, porridge, stew, broth, bean, grain, meat, poultry, slow cook, saute, ferment, sous vide, keep warm. The seal, vent button away from the steam release value, and the 30 degrees backward angled steam release design, make a safer and easier venting. Stainless steel, fingerprint resistant housing, the 0.5-inch widened pot gap, and the dishwasher safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make cleanup a breeze. To close and secure lid, align the orange dot on the lid with the orange dot on the pressure cooker base and twist clockwise. The pressure cooker is designed with a double-layer anti-scalding lid and overheat protection to keep cooking safe. Monitor cooking at a glance with a progress bar on the display. The aluminium cooking pot has a ceramic, hard, non-stick coating, which is BPA-free for food contact materials. The inner pot is equipped with an anti-spin design that secures the pot for sorting and stirring. Number 2. New NPC9 Smart Electric Pressure Cooker. Designed for pressure canning, pressure cooking, steam cooking and slow cooking. Includes standard and high altitude limiting valves, 10 psi and 15 psi. The multifunctional digital display features a timer and preset programs to give you the right tools to ensure consistent results when canning fruits, jams, pickles, salsas and more. The removable 9.5 quarts non-stick cooking chamber is dishwasher safe and can hold and process 4 quart wide mouth, 5 pint or 16 4-ounces jelly jars at a time. The safety lock lid with automatic float valve ensures that the lid fits correctly and identifies when pressure is present. Canning rack and steam rack for canning and cooking options, and a removable condensation catcher for easier cleanup. Number 3. Zavor EZLock Stovetop Pressure Cooker. Thanks to the universal locking mechanism, the lid easily locks into place with the turn of a knob. It will clamp onto the pot from any position and, if pressure is built inside the pot, will not unlock. The pressure settings, which range from high pressure at 15 psi to low pressure at 10 psi, provide the flexibility to pressure cook even the most delicate dishes. Pressure cookers prepare food 3x faster than any other cooking tool. They save you time and energy in the kitchen and produce a more flavorful and nutritious meal. Constructed of high-quality stainless steel and compatible with all domestic stoves including gas, electric, ceramic and induction. The unit itself is not electrically powered. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro Pressure Cooker. Pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, saute pan, rice, sterilizer, yogurt maker, food warmer, cake baker and steamer. Voltage, 120 volts. The only multi-cooker with a premium cookware grade in a pot with stay cool silicone handles, meaning you can take it from your Instapot to your stovetop. 5 programmable settings for your own special recipes, along with 28 program settings that are perfect for a selection of essential meals. Pressure cook to save time and retain more flavor, or slow cook for traditional recipes. Overheat protection, safe locking lid, upgraded gentle steam release switch with diffusing cover to reduce noise and prevent splashing on the counter, and more. Cook for up to 8 people, perfect for larger families, or meal prepping and batch cooking for singles and smaller families. Number 5. 6-quart Whisper Quiet 9-inch -1 electric pressure cooker. Experience culinary versatility with our 9-inch -1 multi-cooker, a kitchen powerhouse that pressure cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, makes rice and yogurt, sterilizes, and warms food, all in one sleek stainless steel design that effortlessly complements any kitchen decor. Boasting a whisper quiet steam release, this multi-cooker provides step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display with a clear progress bar for real-time feedback. Enjoy quick one-touch cooking with 25 customizable smart programs for a variety of dishes, From ribs and soups to yogurt and desserts, the food-grade stainless steel cooking pot ensures even cooking with an anti-spin design for perfect sorting. Cook fast or slow, with the option to pressure cook meals up to 70% faster or slow cook traditional recipes. Cleanup is a breeze with fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and a dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories.